The landscape of website tracking has fractured. For years, Hotjar was a cheap deploy-and-forget script that almost everyone used for basic heat maps. But the 2025 acquisition by Contentsquare changed the trajectory, ending Hotjar's run as an independent self-serve vendor. The platform is now a specialized module within the Contentsquare suite, featuring a unified AI assistant and consolidated performance tiers. Most of the transparent self-serve pricing lists have been moved behind sales-led custom quote funnels that redirect you straight to the parent company domain. While existing users can still access legacy dashboards, maintaining parallel infrastructure creates technical overhead that usually leads to forced migrations or price adjustments. Choosing Hotjar in 2026 isn't a matter of checking a feature list. It's about weighing the financial math against your specific technical architecture. The results are highly polarized. It offers a streamlined path to automated insights for some, while remaining a structurally limited tool for others. In an agile environment, software teams are often buried under thousands of session recordings and user responses. The Sense AI framework attempts to solve this by shifting from manual observation to conversational querying. Instead of watching thousands of videos, you ask the system why users are abandoning a cart. The AI synthesizes the answer from the aggregate data, flowing directly into team channels. For instance, a rage clack on a pricing page can trigger a real-time Slack alert containing the user's ID and session duration. When a bug is reported in HubSpot, the integration can automatically generate a Jira ticket for the engineering backlog. That ticket includes a link to the session replay and a log of the JavaScript console errors that fired at that exact moment. For teams managing high-traffic sites, where legacy costs can scale past €9,000 a month, eliminating hours of manual bug replication provides a clear path to recouping the software spend. However, high-volume e-commerce and Shopify merchants face a different set of technical realities. Because Shopify's checkout is a secure, PCI-compliant environment, it prohibits the injection of third-party tracking scripts, like Hotjar. This creates a blind spot where you cannot see cursor movements or form abandonment during the most critical stage of the sale. Furthermore, Hotjar doesn't natively speak the Shopify data language, meaning you cannot filter recordings by cart value or specific customer tags. There is also the issue of session-based pricing, which caps how much data you can collect per day. If your plan is capped at 500 sessions and you hit that limit by 10 a.m., the recording stops. You lose all visibility into your peak afternoon shopping hours. There are also hidden administrative costs. If your company requires a standard invoice rather than a credit card payment, the price of the growth tier can jump by over $100. Between the daily caps and the checkout blindness, Hotjar often fails to provide the data integrity needed for modern e-commerce. For healthcare, medical SaaS, and insurtech, the concerns aren't just technical, they're legal. Handling patient data requires compliance with federal HIPAA standards. Hotjar explicitly refuses to sign business associate agreements, which is a mandatory requirement for federal liability sharing. The platform also lacks the end-to-end encryption and strict data retention controls required to manage protected health information safely. Ultimately, using the script on a medical intake portal creates significant legal exposure and risks massive federal fines. Your decision comes down to your business type. This 4-branch framework identifies where the tool actually fits. For enterprise B2B SaaS, the unified platform is a strong candidate for a purchase. The ability to view session replays alongside back-end console errors identifies the specific onboarding friction points that quantitative tools miss. For Shopify merchants, we recommend migrating away from Hotjar. Ecosystem-native tools like Propel Replays offer page view pricing and complete visibility into the checkout process that Hotjar lacks. Small businesses and bootstrapped startups should consider a downgrade or migration. You can avoid enterprise-level costs by using Microsoft Clarity, which provides recordings and heat maps at no financial cost. Healthcare organizations must immediately deprecate the tool and shift to a BAA-compliant analytics provider. Hotjar currently operates as a sophisticated enterprise asset, requiring you to audit your business model and traffic volume before you deploy the code.